Looks unstable. We need to secure the front end first. Copy that. Bringing the line around now. Look at this section here.
The metal is compromised. Be careful.
I think I see something near the rear fender. The mud is really packed in here. Yeah.
See this entry? It mentions a fracture near the housing.
Right there. It looks like she hit something hard before she sank.
Are you getting a clear shot through the water line?
Yeah. As clear as it's going to get in this light.
Make sure to document the debris in the footwell.
There's definitely something here, maybe a serial number.
Hold your position. I'm logging the coordinates now. We need photos first. All right, tensioning the line now. Keep an eye on the rear cables.
Yep.
Ready with the dollies at the front.
Clearances look good on this side.
Steady now. Watch the cable. Clear on this side. Pull it up. All right, keep it coming slowly. Watch the cable tension. Almost there, just a little more. Is that tight enough on your end?
Yeah, send it. Rear is secure.
Check the front right one more time. Keep an eye on the straps back there. It's shifting a little too much on this terrain. Just double check the tension on that front strap.
Yeah.
It's secure. We're good to go. This seal is cracked, and look at that corrosion down there. Yep.
I'm trying to tighten it, but the shaft is loose.
Mark it as non-functional then. The corrosion here is extensive, especially around the fuel lines, and the structural integrity up here is almost gone. It needs a full replacement. See the corrosion around this connection point here. Yeah.
Yes, noted. We'll need to address the fuel line integrity first.
There's definitely some play in this bushing.
Yeah, look at the corrosion right there. It needs replacing.
We did it!
No.
Incredible work, everyone. She drives just as well on water.